Hi everyone, Randy Fleming here. I'm a trainer with the National Tile Contractors Association. On today's episode of Tile TV, we're asking the question, do you like white streakers? You know, the white streaks that run down buildings. What is that? We call it efflorescence. Where does that come from? Well, when we look at efflorescence, typically it's on an exterior or in a wet area. Water gets behind tile, and then when it gets behind tile, as it dries, the moisture comes out, and when it comes out, it leaves these white streaks of soluble salts on the face of our tiles, typically around our grout joints. So what's the cause of it? Number one, it's moisture, getting moisture behind. So what is our requirement? If we're in a wet area, the bond coat coverage needs to be 95% on the back of our tiles so we don't get water behind there in the first place. Number two, we need to make sure we're using the correct types of thin set to make sure we don't get water that goes behind there and sits. Also, thin sets are made today that don't contribute to efflorescence, and grout that are made today that don't contribute to efflorescence. Also, we may need to do a waterproofing membrane. Maybe if it's on a building exterior, if we're on top of a plaster substrate, the plaster can leach soluble salts out as well. A lot of information, a lot of possibilities as to where these problems can start from. So we have a section in our NTCA reference manual dealing with efflorescence. What's the problem? What caused the problem? How do we avoid it, or how do we cure it if we're having those issues? So a complete section here helping you to avoid efflorescence and having the white streaks either on the walls or coming up on the floors, and it's almost always related to moisture getting behind our tiles. So check out this section in your NTCA reference manual to find out how to avoid the white streak problem.